The Wallace Foundation is a prominent, New York City-based philanthropic organization that focuses on expanding learning and enrichment opportunities for children and fostering improvements in educational leadership, arts, and youth development. Its work is characterized by a unique approach that combines extensive funding with rigorous research to guide effective policy and practice across the United States. Established in its current form in 2003, the Foundation traces its roots to the DeWitt Wallace Reader's Digest Fund, created by Reader's Digest magazine founders DeWitt and Lila Wallace. Mission and Vision. The Wallace Foundation's mission is centered on fostering equity and improvements in learning and enrichment for young people, particularly those who are underserved. It aims to promote learning that goes beyond academics by ensuring children also have access to high-quality enrichment activities. The Foundation envisions a world where all children, regardless of background, can benefit from educational systems and community supports that help them thrive. Areas of focus. The Wallace Foundation concentrates its work in 5 key areas. Education leadership. Recognizing the crucial role that principals and school leaders play in student achievement, the Foundation has invested heavily in research and programs aimed at improving leadership preparation and practices. Wallace-supported initiatives have explored how effective leadership contributes to better academic outcomes, especially in schools serving high-poverty communities. After-school and summer learning. Wallace has supported efforts to improve access to high-quality after-school and summer learning programs. These programs are essential for mitigating learning loss, especially during summer breaks, and provide safe environments for children during out-of-school hours. Research funded by the Foundation has helped define what makes such programs effective and sustainable. Social and emotional learning, SEL. The Foundation supports initiatives that integrate social and emotional learning into school curricula and youth programs. SEL helps children build critical life skills such as self-awareness, empathy, and decision-making. Wallace collaborates with school districts and nonprofit organizations to develop evidence-based SEL practices. The arts. The Wallace Foundation has long supported efforts to build stronger arts organizations and expand access to the arts for young people. Through its arts initiatives, the Foundation aims to strengthen audience engagement, foster financial sustainability, and increase equity in the arts sector. Its Arts for Young People projects focus on ensuring that children from all backgrounds have opportunities to experience and participate in the arts. Youth development. Through its partnerships with communities and youth-serving organizations, Wallace seeks to improve systems that support young people's overall development. This includes work with local governments, schools, and nonprofit groups to coordinate services and expand opportunities for youth, particularly in under-resourced neighborhoods. Approach and strategy. What sets the Wallace Foundation apart is its action research approach. It partners with selected organizations such as school districts, nonprofits, and cultural institutions to test ideas in real-world settings. These partnerships serve as learning laboratories, providing valuable data and insights into what works, what doesn't, and why. The Foundation then commissions independent researchers to study the outcomes, and the findings are published and shared publicly to inform the broader field. This cycle of innovation, testing, research, and dissemination allows the Wallace Foundation to have an outsized impact on policy and practice far beyond the grantees it directly supports. It also reflects the Foundation's commitment to transparency and continuous learning. Notable initiatives. Some of the Foundation's notable initiatives include Principal Pipeline Initiative, a multi-year project involving 6 large school districts aimed at developing and implementing effective systems for preparing and supporting school principals. Evaluations showed improved student outcomes in schools led by pipeline-trained principals. Wallace Arts Initiative, a project supporting 25 arts organizations to develop strategies to build audiences, particularly among younger and more diverse communities. Partnerships for Social and Emotional Learning Initiative, SELI, a collaboration between schools and out-of-school time programs in 6 cities to explore how to integrate SEL across settings in children's lives. Commitment to equity. Equity is a central principle guiding the Wallace Foundation's work. It acknowledges that systemic inequalities limit opportunities for many young people and seeks to counter these through strategic investments. Whether by improving leadership in schools with high needs, funding arts organizations serving marginalized communities, or supporting summer learning in low-income neighborhoods, the Foundation emphasizes inclusive access and opportunity. Conclusion. The Wallace Foundation stands out as a model of strategic philanthropy. By combining grant-making with a deep commitment to research and learning, it helps develop scalable, evidence-based solutions to complex challenges in education, arts, and youth development. Its work has had a lasting influence on policy and practice across the United States, benefiting countless children and communities. As education and enrichment needs evolve in the 21st century, the Wallace Foundation remains at the forefront of efforts to ensure that all young people regardless of background have the support they need to succeed.